Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add movie to your list on Netflix on an Android device. First thing first, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Okay, after that, please select the profile you want to use. After that, here you can searching about movie you want to add to your list. Well, and then to add the movie to your list, click on My List here. Okay, after that to see it, please press My Netflix at the bottom. Then click My List. Okay, and then here will appear all of movies in your list. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add movie to your list on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.